Well, the very recognisable pattern of Colclough Braganza in front of you now. Two cake plates, early ones made during the Ridgway period of ownership, and the shape did slightly change over the period. These ones have got this sort of central demarcated well area, whereas the later Dalton period ones just gradually merged from the rim down onto the plate surface. And also there's a little indent here in the handles that isn't apparent on the older ones. So these narrow to 10 inches between that section, and the bigger ones from the later period are 10.25. Really nice periwinkle design all the way around here. Blue, very faint colour palette that they used on Braganza, but it's none the worse for that. So nice. There you go. Let me get that in focus. Product of the Ridgway pottery, and just look at the glaze condition in this light. Really reflecting nicely. There's hardly a knife mark on either of these two plates that we're listing today. Here's the second one. Again, really rich gilt all the way around the rims, in really fine condition. Nicely moulded eared handles, as you can see here. Sometimes on the later versions they pick this out, the gilders sort of followed these rounds, but on the early Ridgway ones they were always playing with the gilt just around the rims. So two matching Ridgway period cake plates, sandwich plates, serving plates generally, aren't they, in Colclough Braganza, in very fine condition from the Ridgway period of Colclough brand ownership, which dates in between 1955 and 1966. Available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link below, it should take you directly there with all the measurements, dimensions and prices. Thanks for watching.